my gosh, look at my guest house breakfast. And it's a sunny day. Fig jam is really good, but my favourite this morning is this zaatar, which is a combination of oregano and marjoram, some secret spices and sesame seeds. Delish. Yesterday I went on a hike down into the Qadisha valley to see, amongst other things, the St. Elisha monastery, which is built into the side of the cliff. I was so lucky with the weather, the views were astounding and the pictures are on Patreon. Good morning, what a nice guest house day. I have clean hair for 5 minutes until I start sweating into my helmet, and it is a beautiful day for a bike ride. Every view is better than the last. It's going to take me hours just to get out of Bcharré. So it begins. Got about 500 metres to go up today. Thank goodness for cloud cover because it's still quite sweaty. What are all of these plastic things? I want to think that they're fireworks. Am I being very naive? Is the Tannourine Nature Reserve, and these are the cedars, if I'm not mistaken, that feature on the Lebanese national flag. This is the first word I can identify in Arabic. Al-Uadeh, which means valley. Yes! Oh my golly. Wow. Wow. Lunch today is a tahini banana sandwich. Yum. And the view's not bad either. The top. My campsite for the night. It's an abandoned, incomplete building, one of my favourite sort of camps. Up here it's quite well hidden from the road because of this concrete roof, and I have a view over to the town of Tannourine there.